welcome back to vlogs. It is Wednesday and it's really warm out. Like, jeez, it's warm out and nice out, but hot. It's like 80 degrees and I love it, but it's just hot and I'm not used to it. So I'm going for a walk. I have water. Going for a hike in the woods once I get there anyway. And yeah, I'll meet you guys there, I guess, because all these cars are here. Well guys, I am here at the reservoir. This is where all of our drinking water comes from, at least from the sinks, for the whole area. And there's no sidewalk, so that's nice. Perfect way to get run over, but you know, it is what it is. On a beautiful day, but still not completely sunny. It's just full of that and regular clouds. Yeah. Anyway, continuing to walk. And here is the planet. Water comes from in there, goes into here, Suez. And it gets all types of chemicals and stuff, so we could and then it goes into our pipes and into our homes so we can drink it and use it and wash with it and stuff. And yeah, continuing down the road. Well guys, we are here in nature. I mean, it's so nice. It is so nice. Under the shade and the beautiful nature. Summer's almost here. Why does Corona have to be a thing? I don't know. But anyway, let's go. Well guys, we've come to a crossroads. Which way shall I go? Shall I go right? Or should I go left? Screw it, I'm going right. Okay guys, so I'm progressing through this trail in the middle of the woods, and I find this. Like, nature-made steps. Like, this is very stable. I can step on over this, and I'm around the tree. Very cool. Thank you, nature. Anyway, let's go forward. And by the way, there's also a golf course right there, if you can see it. Right there. And there's people playing golf. Hopefully I don't get hit by a ball. That'd be not fun. Anyway, let's continue. Alright guys, so I'm going down the path and look what I have to my right. Ah! Don't fall or you'll go into the water. Okay, I've come to another decision. So to get across this creek, I could either go a normal way, go on the road, or I'll do the fun way over the log. I'm gonna do on the log. Actually, it's pretty stable, more stable than you think. And I am a professional log crosser. Ta-da! Success! Yay. There's another one there, but I don't think that can support a human being. Let's see what's over there. Okay, I found something even cooler. This. Water's not really deep, but still, wouldn't be fun to fall in. I'm not alone. Well guys, I'm done and home, and yeah, I guess I'll meet you guys home. It was a good walk, nice and relaxing, and time to head back. Okay, so on my way back, check it out, a whole bunch of geese. Guess it's feeding time. Yeah, anyway, let's go. So guys, I'm going to end this vlog here. But before I do, I just wanted to state my opinion about the recent events happening in the US. Like, just wow. And for those of you that don't know, those of you not in the US, So on Monday, a African American man was killed by a police officer, and in Minneapolis, and just people in Minneapolis are rioting like crazy. It is just downright horrific out here, and just that one evil act, one murder just sparked all this destruction. It's terrible, and at this point I don't know. I just don't know. And anyway, leave your remarks about that in the comments, I guess. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give this a like, consider subscribing if you've not, and share this video out. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.